Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Maxi Cosi Minla 6-in-1 high chair and how to use it. This high chair is a great option for parents looking for a product that's going to grow with their child and adapt to everyday needs. The seat itself has a few really unique features. The backrest has 5 reclining positions, the tray has 4 positions to accommodate a full belly, and the seat unit itself moves up and down with 9 possible height positions. Additionally, you can use the Minla in multiple ways. It can be a high chair, a relaxed infant seat, an infant booster seat, or even a toddler booster seat with a convenient second attachment. When mealtime is over, the Minla ensures a quick and easy cleanup. The high-quality materials and zip-off seat pad are easy to wipe down or throw in the laundry. The plastic tray cover can be cleaned easily, just pop it off and rinse it. When you need the extra space, you can effortlessly store away the Minla thanks to its compact folding ability. Simply remove the chair and push the large buttons on either side of the stand. To open it back up, push the buttons again and pull out the back with your foot. If you are looking for a high chair that adapts to your child's needs, then you can't go wrong with the Maxi Cosi Minla. Thanks for watching! You can shop this product or any other product you see on babycubby.com, where we offer price matching and free shipping on orders $25 or more. To see another handy mealtime product, you can check out this video. Like and subscribe and let us know what else you want to see. See you next time!